Hi, I'm Shannon from the WVU Medicine Center for Joint Replacement, and I'm here to talk to you about preparing your home for your return from the hospital. About 10 days before your surgery, you'll need to prepare your home for your return from the hospital. Clean your house, do the laundry and put it away, put clean linens on the bed, prepare meals and freeze them in single-serving containers. Cut the grass and tend to other yard work and garden work, but wear long pants to protect your skin from cuts and scrapes. Pick up throw rugs and tack down loose carpeting. Remove electrical cords and other obstructions from walkways. Install night lights in the bathrooms, bedrooms, and hallways. If you have stairs, install handrails if you don't already have them. And make arrangements for someone to collect your mail and take care of your pets or loved ones if necessary. Doing these tasks now will be a big relief for you when you come home to recover.